You might disagree with Tesla at 60.5 above Google at 53.5. However, Tesla leads today's ranking, and $315.52 is the level protecting the setup. The Alpha score is our checklist score from 0 to 100. It measures setup quality, not certainty. The market is risk-on, meaning buyers feel confident with 80% confidence, and SPY is trading at $777.88. Growth stocks are leading, but an extended SPY raises the risk of a short-term pullback, meaning a short drop after a rise. Number 10, Microsoft, score 24.0. Number 9, Amazon, score 28.9. Number 8, SPY, score 29.5. Number 7, AMD, score 29.9. Number 6, NVIDIA, score 41.4. Number 5, Meta Platforms, score 46.5. Number 4, Apple, score 47.5. Number 3, Palantir, score 49.5. Number 2, Google, score 53.5. Number 1, Tesla, score 60.5. Number 10 is Microsoft. Microsoft, Alpha score 24.0. High risk. Microsoft trades at $496.88. Resistance, meaning a price ceiling, is $513.73. If Microsoft clears that ceiling, the breakout can continue. A breakout means price moves above its ceiling. If buyers fail there, $405.99 becomes the next listed level to monitor. Relative volume, meaning shares trading compared with the usual, is light. That reduces confirmation behind the move. The beginner takeaway is simple: strong price action can still offer a weak new entry, meaning the possible buy area when price is extended. Number 9 is Amazon. Amazon, Alpha score 28. Amazon trades at $265.13. The key level is $258.08, which was prior resistance and may now act as support. Support means a price floor. If Amazon stays above $258.08, buyers remain in control. If it breaks below that level, watch the $243.80 area next. Its EMAs remain bullish, and EMA is a trend line based on recent prices. The beginner takeaway: a former ceiling can become a floor, but only if buyers defend it. Number 8 is the SPY market ETF. SPY trades at $777.88. The main support level is $769.20. If that floor holds, the risk-on trend remains intact. If SPY suffers a breakdown, meaning price falls below its floor, the next listed support is $740.80. SPY is extended above its recent trend lines. The beginner takeaway: a strong market helps growth stocks, but chasing far above support can increase risk. Number 7 is Advanced Micro Devices. AMD trades at $483.01. The important support area is $463.21. If AMD holds that floor, the next major ceiling is $530.13. If $463.21 breaks, watch the nearby $460.21 support. AMD remains above its average session cost, but the short-term trend is mixed. The beginner takeaway: wait for support to prove itself instead of buying in the middle of an unclear range. Number 6 is NVIDIA. NVIDIA, Alpha score 41. NVIDIA trades at $225.30. Its key support is $216.20. If that level holds, NVIDIA can build above its prior $224.76 ceiling. If $216.20 fails, the next listed floor is $197.97. The bullish EMA structure supports the trend, but the price is extended. NVIDIA is also trending on stock twits. The beginner takeaway: a popular stock can keep rising, yet poor entry timing still creates avoidable risk. Number 5 is Meta Platforms. Meta trades at $594.97. The key support is $577.07. If that floor holds, Meta can challenge the $601 ceiling. If $577.07 breaks, the supply data does not show a closer lower support. Meta remains below its average session cost and has a bearish EMA structure. The beginner takeaway: a bounce is not a full trend reversal until price reclaims nearby resistance. Number 4 is Apple. Apple, Alpha score 47. Apple trades at $305.26. The key price floor is $299.74. If buyers defend that floor, Apple can test $316.02. If $299.74 fails, downside risk increases because no lower support was supplied. Apple's RSI is 29, 62 RSI is a buying and selling heat meter, and this reading signals oversold, meaning selling may have gone too far, too fast conditions. The beginner takeaway: oversold does not mean price must rise immediately. Support still needs to hold. Number 3 is Palantir. Palantir ranks third because momentum, meaning the speed and direction of price is powerful. Its EMA structure is bullish, and a breakout is active. The risk is that price has moved far above its normal trend. Palantir trades at $179.01. VWAP is $140.17. VWAP means the average price paid today. Palantir is well above it, showing strong buyer control but also a stretched setup. The 9-day EMA at $163.97 is the nearest supply dynamic support. If that trend line holds, buyers may keep control. If it breaks, the chance of a deeper reset toward VWAP increases. The highest listed resistance is $136.88, and price has already cleared it. If Palantir remains above that former ceiling, the breakout stays valid. If price falls back below it, that would signal a major failed move. For trade planning, an entry is the price where a position begins. A stop, meaning the price where the idea is wrong, is the exit level that limits risk. A target, meaning the upside goal is the planned profit level. Because no overhead target was supplied, beginners should not invent one. AI news is the active catalyst, meaning news or an event that could move the stock, and Palantir is trending on stock twits. The practical lesson is to respect momentum without chasing far above support. Number 2 is Alphabet. Google. Alpha score 53, 5, weak. Alphabet ranks second because its technical subscore and catalyst reading are strong. However, the EMA structure remains bearish, so this is not a clean trend setup. Google trades at $343.94, placing price slightly above the average paid today. Holding above VWAP would show that current session buyers still have an edge. Support is $341.12. If that floor holds, Google can continue building toward its next ceiling. If $341.12 breaks, price would also lose the nearby VWAP area, weakening the setup. Resistance is $370.89. If Google clears that level, the next supplied ceiling is $374.35. If buyers are rejected at $370.89, the stock may return toward $341.12. The catalyst is investor debate around Alphabet's aggressive AI spending. That matters because heavy spending can build future growth, but it can also pressure current profits. The beginner takeaway: Google needs support and VWAP to hold before its higher score becomes a cleaner trade. Number 1 is Tesla. Tesla. Alpha score 60, 5, neutral. Tesla ranks first because its momentum and catalyst readings lead today's group. The warning is clear: Tesla remains below VWAP and below its longer trend line. Tesla trades at $339.96. VWAP is $387.24, so price remains below the average paid today. That means the current rebound has not repaired the full chart. The main support is $315.52. If Tesla holds that floor, buyers can keep working toward VWAP. If $315.52 breaks, the next supplied support is $297.38.59. If Tesla clears that ceiling, $413.16 becomes the next listed target. If buyers fail near resistance, the stock could return toward $315.52. Tesla also carries a product announcement catalyst and is trending on stock twits. That can attract attention, but attention alone does not confirm a trade. The beginner takeaway: Tesla has the best checklist score, but the best setup still needs confirmation above key levels. The alpha pick of the day is Tesla. Alpha score 60, 5. Why does this matter in everyday language? Tesla has the strongest mix of momentum and catalyst strength in this list. Buyers are returning, and market attention is high. However, the chart still carries damage from the earlier decline 52. As long as Tesla stays above that floor, the rebound remains active. A cautious setup would wait for price to hold support and then move toward the $387.24 VWAP. A stronger confirmation would come from reclaiming VWAP. That would show buyers recovering the average session cost. The major upside test remains $406.59. If Tesla loses $315.52, the setup weakens, and $297.38 becomes the next floor. This is why Tesla ranks first without being labeled low risk. The opportunity is real, but so is the distance between major levels. First, watch Tesla. Alpha score 60, 5. The focus is whether $315.52 holds and whether price can approach VWAP. Second, watch Google, Alpha Score 53.5. A hold above $341.12 keeps its rebound alive, while $370.89 is the upside test. Third, watch NVDA, Alpha Score 41.4. The main question is whether $216.20 can support the breakout before earnings. For the wider market, watch SPY at $769.20. If SPY loses that floor, the risk-on mood could cool quickly. The next major scheduled event in the supplied calendar is NVIDIA earnings on August 26, 2026. That report matters because NVIDIA sits at the center of AI spending. Its results can influence semiconductor stocks and other growth leaders. Investors will be looking for proof that AI demand can support current expectations. Until then, the next video will track the next market session, fresh earnings and news, and whether today's key levels hold. The biggest questions are whether Tesla can protect $315.52 and whether NVIDIA can stay above $216.20. Join our Discord for daily levels, live trade ideas, and community, link in the description. Which stock are you watching? Drop the ticker below and subscribe for the next update. Trade smart, manage risk, compound wealth.